I'm passionate about this subject. I'm very passionate about inclusive makeup brands and brands that will make makeup for people that look like me, that are darker than me, okay? We need to get with it. We need to support our own.
Bounce. West side, make 'em bounce right now. Right now. North side, make 'em bounce right now. Right now. Middle finger to the odds right now. Is you down for the cause right now? Right now. Bed side, make 'em bounce right now. Right now. Get the money and we out right now. Right now. We the boys that they want right now. In the spot right now, make 'em bounce right now. Like that.
What is good, everyone? I see you. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel.
Hold up, wait. I gotta interrupt this video to give out my comment shout outs. The first one goes to my girl Shivate. Thanks for the support. And the second one goes to my girl Rilia, that's been a supporter since day one. Keep it going and keep on watching.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey, welcome back.
So you're probably wondering, why am I so hype? I'm introducing a new series to my channel called Melanin Mondays. In these videos, I'm going to highlight Black-owned beauty brands or beauty brands that cater to Black women and have been hooking us up for years. One thing I've been noticing lately on YouTube or just in general, that a lot of Black brands don't get mentioned. If you're not looking for them, you wouldn't even know they exist. And right now, the goal of these videos is for you, my lovely, beautiful viewers, to know that these do exist, that you can snatch them up. For this first video of my series, I'm going to highlight the one, the only Black Radiance. So if you think this look, the melanin, is, hey, is popping, keep on watching. So you already know the first Black Radiance product that I love is the Mousse foundation in the color Toffee. One thing I really do love about this foundation is that it's super lightweight and it really just, I don't need a lot on just to do the job. Easy, it just blends onto my face. Like, I don't gotta do nothing but just like use my flat foundation brush just right here and just get her done.
Looking even more wake up flawless, right around that flawless, okay?
So, you know, after I get this flawless looking face with the Mousse foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty concealer just because Black Radiance, their concealer, they didn't have it at the store I went to, and if I would have ordered online, it would have took too long to get here by the time I wanted to film this video. Put that under my eye, and you already know how I feel about Fenty Beauty. If you want to see how I feel about this concealer, you should watch my previous video, which is called my Valentine's Day, you know, slay video. I have used the Black Radiance stick concealer, but I used that as a contour and that ran out like months ago. But I can tell you that that was bomb and it blended out really well. So that is what I can say about their concealer products, is that Black Radiance concealer products do blend very well. Okay, it's patted in. Now let me do my eyebrows. Use what I always use, which is the NYX cake powder right here. I don't think Black Radiance has an eyebrow. They might have eyebrow pencils, but I don't know for sure, but they didn't have it at the drugstore I went to. So that's why I'm opting with what I know. You know, you always got to stay safe with the brows, which is this NYX cake powder. Now our eyebrows are looking fleeky, looking on point. Okay, I'm going to use one of my favorite products of all time. Like, this product is by far, ooh, look at that powder.
Anytime you see that powder, you know what I'm talking about, and you know what I'm trying to do.
The one, the only Black Radiance banana powder. True Complexion loose setting powder. This is the back right here. Yes, get into this. This powder is my favorite ever banana powder ever. Like, I've tried the Benai, I've tried the Sacha banana powder. This banana powder is so good.
Smoke.
To bake it, I just swirl it around, tap, 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 swirl it around, tap, 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 swirl it around, tap, tap, tap. After I'm done putting on the banana powder to bake, I've never tried a Black Radiance eyeshadow palette before, so I was like, why not try, you know? And I love the name, it's Ebony Nudes, and here's a closer look at the colors right here. So let me see, let me take some of this. You know, I like to do my transition crease color first, so let me take this color right here, this brown one right here, and I'm gonna put that on my crease.
Okay, I'm liking the color payoff already. Ooh, is that kind of a red going on? I love reddish browns.
Take some more of that and put that on my crease. Okay, let me. Okay.
Okay.
This color right here is called My Name. If you can't really tell, it's like a copperish sparkle type color. Hey, let me see. Oh, okay. I'm liking the payoff. Yes.
Yes, oh. Who are you? Who's that lady? Who's that lady?
One thing I like about Black Radiance, they are very affordable, and you see this look I'm getting from it. It is A1, done, okay? So I'm going back with this burnt brown color here, and I'm just darkening that back up. My lower eyelid right down here, so there can be some, you know, some darkness. Ooh, champagne-ish, shimmerish, copperish color. I'm gonna put that transitioning to the darker color on my lower eyelid. You see, there you go.
I'm excited for this look. I'm excited for this look. I'm excited.
This palette is a good bang for your buck, okay? It was only, I think, $6.99. I've been telling y'all, don't be sleeping on Black Radiance. After we're done with that, we're going to brush off the banana powder we put under our eyes, you know, because we're not trying to look like ghosts in here. I think this has to be one of the most popular Black Radiance products, and this is their contour palette. Here's the darkest shade. As you can tell, I've hit pan on it because it's so good. I've hit pan on this as well, and then I'm starting to hit pan on the highlighter.
I'm telling you, this right here is bomb.
I know they have a cream version of this, but I like powder contour because I feel like it gives more of a natural look. But we can just go down here, and I'm using the darkest shade. And now the color has returned back to our face. We're looking sun-kissed, even though the sun is not out, okay? Next, and I'm gonna put my lashes on.
I don't think Black Radiance makes eyelashes, but I mean, Black Radiance, get on it, because everything else is bomb. That's like the complete package, I mean.
These lashes I got from an Amazon pack. Right now, I don't have the package with me, but it came in a pack of 15, and I'm telling you, these lashes are bomb, okay? I will have the lashes linked down below. So now our eyelashes are on, okay? They're popping. So while the eyelashes are finishing drying, we're going to then put on some highlights. So we're gonna use this highlighter right here. This is just an easy grab to go-to highlighter. It does the job. It's very reliable, I'll tell you that. Let's put it on there. It's not too much of a shine. It's like, yes. Ooh. And it just does the job. Like, it does what it's supposed to do. We cannot forget. We cannot forget the lips. I used to have a lip gloss from Black Radiance, but I don't know where it went. It disappeared. But I always have my Rimmel London Stay Glossy. And this is the final look, y'all. Get into it. Love it. Like it. Black Radiance is bomb. Invest in brands that cater to women of color. Invest in brands that take the time to cater makeup to us. There's so many people I know that are quick to buy all these makeup brands that don't do nothing. They don't do nothing for us. They just throw in a little bit of darker shades just because Fenty Beauty did, and they're like, okay, buy it now. We cater to you. But where were y'all back then? You wasn't with me when I was shooting at the gym, when I was in the drugstore trying to find my shade, or when I was in Sephora trying to find your shade 3 years ago. Where were you at? Nowhere to be found, okay? So we need to invest in our own and invest in brands that were sticking with us and that were making products for us when no one else was, and Black Radiance was one of them. I'm passionate about this subject. I'm very passionate about inclusive makeup brands and brands that will make makeup for people that look like me, that are darker than me, okay? We need to get with it. We need to support our own. This is why I decided to do Melanin Mondays, because I am going to showcase all the brands, I mean all the brands that deserve to be highlighted, that have been making makeup for women of color, for Black women for years. And these are brands that continue to do so. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. Make sure you give it a like. Please, you know, give it a like. Let me know that you liking this new series that I have on my channel, Melanin Mondays. And make sure you comment down below if you want to get featured in my next video. And most of all, don't forget to tap or click that subscribe button, okay? Help your girl out. And I will see you in my next video. Peace.
Hey, you gotta subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when the new shit's out. You already know. Get on this. Hey, pride's gonna be death to me.